Hello everyone, welcome to Cocktails with 117 West. This is Justin here, and today we're going to be making a Mai Tai. Mai Tai means it's so good or it's so great in Tahitian, as the story goes. The first time anybody drank it, that's what they said, is Mai Tai. So this is a perfect cocktail for this time of year. It's starting to heat up and you want something nice and refreshing. This is a great go-to. You can buy the mix and just add it to rum, or you can make it the way I'm going to show you right here from all the raw materials and essentially make your own mix if you want to. And then it would be, if you make a bunch ahead of time of the mix without the rum, you're good to go and you can just be your own Trader Vic's. So what you're going to need is some white rum, orange curacao or like a Grand Marnier, dark rum, some fresh lime juice, and then of course this is the kind of the all-star here, super great mixer if you haven't used it before, orgeat, or this is just the Tirani almond syrup, orgeat, I don't know, say it however you want. It's delicious. So to make this, what we're gonna do is basically take our shaker and load that up with some ice, do 1.5 ounce of our 117 West White Rum that hopefully you don't spill over the table, and then 3/4 ounce of everything else. Here's the orange curacao. This is a homemade version, which is amazing, made from curacao oranges. You can, get really crazy with a lot of this stuff and make it at home yourself. Here's the orgeat. You could do this at home yourself if you wanted as well. It's just almonds infused in some delicious syrup. And then of course the lime juice, fresh ingredients are always best. 3/4 ounce of that. And finally, we just need to give it a shake. I don't really worry about straining it. I just pour it all straight in there, nice and diluted. Get that perfect pour in your glass. A little bit of room left there at the top before we add the garnish to float the dark rum on top and give it that beautiful Mai Tai look. And finally, a lime wheel. If you had a mint sprig, you could throw that in there too. Garnishes are awesome, they look great, but most of us just end up throwing them away and drinking the drink. So there you go, Mai Tai. Enjoy, super easy to make and great summertime drink. Have fun.